Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a brief overview and some general information, as well as my first impressions on this titanium cutting board sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. All right, let's get right to it. I really like this type of cutting board. Let me tell you some of the things about it that you might like as well. Well, the obvious part is it's made out of solid titanium. One of the things that I really like about titanium cutting boards is that knives are pretty gentle on them. You're not going to see a whole lot of damage done to it. It is double-sided, so it doesn't matter which side you choose. Titanium cutting boards are super easy to keep clean. Just hand wash them. I highly recommend you don't put them in the dishwasher, but you can. I've seen people do that before and it hasn't affected it at all, but for us, we like to hand wash it. In my house, durability is a plus, and titanium cutting boards will last a long time if you take care of them. They also have a wide variety of uses. Yes, they are great for cutting fruits and vegetables and all of those types of things, but they're also great for making sandwiches, kneading bread. I know that there's a lot of people out there who are making sourdough bread now. This is a great way to do that. Biscuits, those types of things. It is virtually non-stick, so it makes all of those types of things very, very simple. So they are durable, they are versatile, they are long-lasting, and they would make a great addition to most every kitchen. If you're looking for a titanium cutting board, I highly recommend that you give this a look. It works for me. It's a keeper and it's staying in our kitchen. Maybe it'll work for you as well.